don't play with the sacred. You don't bastardize the sacred. The Western world does tend to do that. But that which ye sow, ye shall also reap. So that's a positive and a negative. If you sow righteousness, you reap righteousness. But when you sow negativity and foolishness, you reap that. And more often than not, you reap an abundant harvest of it. So you'll have mental problems, you'll have spiritual problems, you have emotional problems, and wonder why. It's because you're playing with something that's sacred. So don't do that. The people who have what we call the mantle are people who are called, and usually elders, people of wisdom, other sacred people in those communities see that even when you're a child. And then they begin to work with you to grow in the process. You don't suddenly read a book and say, I'm going to do this myself. That's not how that process works. And that's why certain things that you think you're working on will work against you.